Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to use Binance Convert option Binance per coin Kaise convert Kare Imroz tricks. Start by opening the Binance app or web, tap Convert, choose the coin you want to swap, select the target coin, and review the rate shown. Confirm the amount and press Convert to execute instantly. Always double-check the displayed rate and minimums before confirming to avoid unexpected costs. In this video, I will explain how to convert per coin using Binance Convert with clear steps. First, choose Convert from the Trade tab, pick your source and target coins, and type the amount. Next, check the preview which shows the exact rate and estimated receive amount, then press Confirm to execute. Keep an eye on the minimums and any small spread, and consider splitting large amounts to reduce price impact. In this video, I will help you use Binance Convert more safely by sharing practical tips. Always check the minimums and limits, and avoid converting huge sums at once to limit slippage. If markets move fast, wait for lower volatility or convert in portions to secure better average rates. Keep your account security strong, enable two-factor authentication, and verify coin addresses when moving funds off platform.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.